Hey Pookie, if you do not have a big sister that you can look up to for fashion advice or to steal fashion sense from, then this video is for you. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you tips on how to put together a good outfit on a daily basis. So if that sounds like something you want to watch, then stay glued to this video. But if today is your first time coming across any of my videos on YouTube, my name is Veronica Olunde. Click the subscribe button to be part of my family and most importantly, be part of my growth. So I know we all want to look put together, and part of looking put together is the ability to be able to put together a good outfit. Today's video, I'm going to be giving you a step-by-step guide on how to put together a good outfit for any occasion at all. By following the steps that I'll be giving in today's video, you'll be able to create a well put together outfit that not only reflects your personal style, but would also make you look stylish and confident at all times. Now, the first step to always bear in mind whenever you want to put together a good outfit is to consider the occasion you are dressing for. If it is to work as a 9 to 5 girly, always have that at the back of your mind. If it is to a formal event, if it is to a wedding, or you're just lounging around, going out with your friend, bear in mind the occasion you are dressing for, because you cannot wear club outfit to your work if you're a 9 to 5 girly. You can't. You cannot wear a wedding appropriate outfit to work if you're a 9 to 5 girly. So always bear in mind the occasion that you are dressing for. Now, bearing in mind the occasion you're dressing for, the second step is to ensure that you have these basic pieces in your wardrobe. I'm talking button up shirts, which could be either in black or white or any neutral color of your choice, bodysuit, blazer, pant trouser, office trouser, um, denim trouser, denim jacket. Just know that I'll be listing the basic outfit that you should have or the basic pieces that you have in your wardrobe. I'll be listing them here and also displaying pictures of them so you can get the gist of what I am talking about. Okay, so now that you've looked through your wardrobe and you realize that you have some, if not all of the basic pieces that I mentioned, you're going to choose a neutral base out of them. Select a simple yet versatile piece, which could be either a button-up shirt, could be white, black, like I said earlier, paired with a black pant or a white pant. I'll be displaying pictures, don't worry. Could be a little black dress or a tank top paired with a silk skirt or a button-up shirt paired with a denim trouser. Now, after selecting your neutral base, the next thing is to add a statement piece to your outfit. Something eye-catching, which could be something that gives a pop of color to your outfit. It could be a scarf, could be an handbag, could be a vibrant colored shoe, or even a vibrant color bottom. Anything that just adds color to your outfit, that gives a statement to the eye. Now, the next thing is to not be afraid to mix textures together. And by this, I mean, do not be afraid to mix something as soft as a silk shirt with something as rough as a denim trouser. Don't be afraid to mix rough with smooth and something structured with something basic. Now, the next step you need to have at the back of your mind when you want to put together a good outfit is to learn to balance colors. Now, learn to mix bold colors with neutral colors just so it does not overwhelm the eye. But if you don't know how to balance colors, I would advise you lean more to monochromatic outfits. Those outfits that are in line with the same color from top to bottom. Yes, lean more to those kind of outfits. Next thing to put at the back of your mind is to know how to balance patterns. For days that you want to wear patterned outfits, do patterned outfits. For days that you want to wear polka dots, do polka dots. For days that you want to do stripes, do stripes. Do not mix patterns together if you do not know how to. Do not pick something stripes with something polka if you do not know how to do it in a balanced proportion. So what I would advise is, if you want to do a patterned bottom, do a plain top. If you want to do a patterned top, do a plain bottom. Just learn how to balance patterns in a way that suits you, please, because if you don't, it is going to be overwhelming to the eyes. Now, the next step is to ensure that you balance volumes. By this I mean, pair something tight fitting with something loose fitting, like a bodysuit with a baggy trouser or a bodysuit with an office pant trouser. And by so doing, you create a harmonious silhouette. The next thing is to not be afraid to show off some skin, but do it tastefully. By this I mean for days that you want to show off cleavage, ensure that your legs are covered. For days that you want to show off legs, ensure that your cleavage or your upper body is fully covered. Also, do not forget to accessorize, because accessories have the power to make your outfit. And by accessories, I do not just mean jewelries. Accessories are jewelries, they are also handbags, they are shoes, they are scarves, they are hats, just sunglasses, anything that can add a bit of zazz to your outfit, something that can take your outfit from an 80 to 100. Next is to never underestimate the power of good shoes. Ensure that you care about your shoes as much as you care about your clothes. Ensure that they are comfortable enough, because if your shoes are not comfortable, there is no way you can walk confidently. This is because your shoes also have the power to make or mar your outfit. You may be wearing a very good, clean, crisp, cute outfit, but if your shoes are dirty or they are highly uncomfortable, okay. Next is to not be shy to look in the mirror, because it is not vain. It is only when you look in the mirror, preferably a full length mirror, that you can easily see if your outfit needs some adjustments, because it would not make sense for you to go out and people are pointing out things that you could have easily adjusted or changed if you had looked in the mirror before leaving the house. This is because it's only when you look into the mirror that you can see that you are either wearing the wrong undergarment for your outfit, or your outfit is see-through and you need to make some adjustments, because it would be so wrong for you to go out and people are telling you that they can see your bra through your shirt, or that they can see your panty lines through your trouser. Next is to always pay attention to detail. If your outfit is too tight, change into something else. If your outfit is rumpled, iron it before wearing it. If your outfit has a stain, get the stain off. And always dress according to your body type and according to your body size. If you still do not know your body type and you don't know how to dress accordingly, I have a video. I'll be linking it down below. I'll be linking it also somewhere here. And do not be delusional. You cannot be a size 12 and you're wearing clothes or shopping at the section of the people that are size 6 or size 8. No, dress according to your body size. At any chance you get, do not skip on any styling video that you come across. Could be on YouTube, could be on TikTok. Watch styling video, because it is not a crime to steal people's style. You can copy people's style. Also, download Pinterest. Pinterest is that girl. You can actually buy a shirt today and you don't know how to style it. Put it on Pinterest, search for that kind of style or that kind of shirt on Pinterest, and I guarantee you to bring you different ways on how you can style it. So please, if you don't have the Pinterest app on your phone today, go and download it. Next is to always prioritize fit over trend, because what is trendy today may not be trendy tomorrow. So if you want to buy any outfit, you have no business shopping for things that are trendy. Prioritize things that you can always wear all the time. I want you to bear in mind that it is enough if your outfit only makes sense to only you, and it is enough if you are the only one that loves your outfit. Also, keep in mind that style is forever evolving, so it is okay if you still have not figured out what your style is yet. And do not forget to seal up your entire look with a good scent. Always wear perfume. And with that, we have come to the end of today's video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share to whoever you feel may be needing this video. I'll see you in my next one. Until next time, bye.